Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and useful. Today, we've got a game changer for all you car owners and clean freaks out there. We're talking about the best compact car vacuum cleaner on the market, the Heffu Home Portable Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this little powerhouse a must-have for every car, home, and office. Stick around because we've got all the details you need to know. Let's start by unboxing this gem. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a tidy space. The handheld vacuum cleaner itself. A2IN1 brush and crevice nozzle, a USB charging cable, and not one, but two HEPA filters. That's value right there. Now, let's get to know this beauty a little better. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, weighing in at just 1 lb. The 45 degrees foldable handle makes it easy to reach those tricky spots, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter, the power and efficiency of this mini vacuum cleaner. It boasts a 120W super strong motor with powerful suction of up to 10,000 pascals, making it a suction powerhouse. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, cat litter, dust, or debris, this little beast has got you covered. Plus, it's not just powerful. It's also quiet, with noise levels lower than 75 decibels. One of the standout features of the Heffu Home Car Vacuum is its quick charge and long working time. It takes just 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, but here's the kicker, it can run continuously for over 40 minutes. That's a lot of cleaning without interruptions. Now, let's talk about maintenance. This mini vacuum comes equipped with a 400 ml dust container and a HEPA filter that meets high-efficiency particulate air standards. These filters can effectively absorb dust and particles, and the best part? They're washable and reusable, saving you time and money. Last but not least, Heffu Home stands by its product with confidence. You'll get a 60-day free return and a generous 2-year warranty guarantee. If you have any inquiries or issues, their tech support is ready to assist you. And there you have it, folks. The Heffu Home Portable Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. Compact, powerful, efficient, and backed by a solid warranty. It's the ultimate cleaning companion for your car, home, and office. If you want to keep your space clean and tidy without breaking a sweat, this is the tool for you. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, and check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!